afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lease. And today is the day. I told you guys when I got the 200 subscribers that I would put Underglow lights underneath the Silverado, and that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. Alrighty, so the Silverado is in the shop, and if you notice, I got the LED strips plugged in currently and running, and I have to say, they look great. I cannot wait to put them underneath the truck. I ordered them from Grovee, the same people that I did on the inside of the truck. Looks like they gave me screws and anchors, which I probably won't use. I'll probably use these zip ties because we're gonna go in the steel, and drilling holes through steel is not right. These little strips are gonna be in the front and the back, and then these longer strips are actually gonna be the sides, so from door to door are the longer ones. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm on the passenger side, and I'm thinking of putting it on the frame. There's adhesive on the back of these right there, so I plan to clean this really well all the way along here. And I tried to center it on the truck as much as possible. It's kind of hard when I just have it zip tied just to see what it looks like, but because it is a bigger truck, it's not going to be completely lined from front to back, so I tried to center it as best as I could. So I suggest cleaning the frame really well, and then pull the adhesive back and put it on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the Underglow lights are in. Sorry about the light. The blue LEDs aren't the best filming light, but let me take you outside and let's look at these Underglow lights. Sorry guys, it is a little windy out here, but there it is. There is the Underglow lights. You got the front bumper, the rear bumper, and you got the two center strips. There is a Grovee app that runs these lights, so I can manually turn them on by my phone. There's no switch, nothing. And in the app, you got different colors, you got different modes, you got scenes, and then you also have music modes. So it'll use your phone's microphone, and it'll start changing the lights through your microphone. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It looks pretty sick, to be honest. Let me get to the back here. There's the back right there. You see the trailer hitch. And yeah, overall it looks really nice. Again, sorry about the wind, but that is pretty much it.
That is my dream.